Max Meow Book 6 When Pancakes Go Bad, Really Bad by John Gallagher. Meow! Here's a people saying about Max Meow. Max Meow superhero to have kids meowing with laughter. John Patrick Green, creator of the Investigator series. Fans of Daft Milky's Dogman will love School Library Journal. Cats and kittens alike will be thrilled to finally have a hero they can look up to. Mike Myhack, creator of the Cleopatra and Space series, a superhero cat and an intrepid girl scientist. What's not to like? Kirkus reviews. Man, I love this book, man. I love this book, man. This was so good. Emma, 6th grade. My favorite part was when he yelled, Meowza! He said, 7th grade. Meowza! Let's hear it for the coolest you cat crusader. Max, Jennifer, and Matthew Holm, co-creators of the Baby Mouse series. I can't wait until the next one. Milloom, 6th grade. Max, Max and his scientist friend, Mindy, are a dynamite duo. Holby Sharp, creative, teacher, and co-founder of the Dirty Book Club. Max Meow was a riot. Jimmy Gowley, creator of the Amelia Roll series. I like the part where he eats the giant meatball, celebrates friendship, fun, and the fantastic wrapped, wrapped up in a ball of adventure readers. There's a wedding angel pounce on. Jamar Nicholas, creator of the Leon series. My favorite character was Mindy because he kind of gains XL. Santiago, 6th grade. I give it 5 stars. Whole, 5th grade. Super laughs on every page. Norm Feuti, creator of the Hello Hedgehog series. A super fun romp for kids of all ages. Meron Jaffe, PhD, author of Raising a Reader, how comics and graphic novels can help your kids love to read. It's funny and amazing, so you should read the book. Sorrel, 6th grade. Read all of Maxwell's adventures. Maxwell, Cat Crusader. Maxwell, Donuts in Danger. Maxwell, Pugs of X. Maxwell, Taco Time Machine. Maxwell, Attack of the Zombies. Maxwell, When Pancakes Go Bad, Really Bad. They're hysterical. Maxwell, When Pancakes Go Bad, Really Bad. John Gallagher, Random House, New York. Thanks to my dad. Thanks, Cole. It's time once again for Cat on the Street. We're here at the world premiere of that highly anticipated film, Cat Crusader the movie. All of the all of the big stars and influencers are here, and all of Cat Crusader's friends and some former enemies are here too. Ooh, the movie! It's starting. Spielberg Films presents Max Now. This is gonna be good. Just before the doomed planet exploded, a rocket was sent to Kittyopolis. Out of the rocket came Max Meow. Hey, it wasn't like that. Shh. Mindy, aka Science Kitty, the young Mac, was bitten by a radioactive frog. Stop the film! This is what happened at all. First of all, I got my powers from a radioactive meatball. Meow! Then Mindy got powers too. Hypothesis! Not as cool as Meowza. And together we battled bad guys who want to cause trouble with Kittyopolis. Some of them have reformed themselves. Some of them haven't. The Cat Crusader will pay. And that's what happened. Max, do you realize you just gave away your secret identity? Wrong, Minnie. I gave away our secret identities. Sorry, it's too late. Now we all know we're gonna pay. Get him! X. Oh, gosh, it was all a dream. Or a nightmare. I guess it's good the Cat Crusader movie never happened. Cat Crusader, the movie, cancelled. Still, it would have been fun to be a star. And speaking of stars, keep reading. Chapter 1. Meanwhile, in space. How munches the dragon in the window, the one with the venomous tail? Space Hatch. Ah, home ship home. Rex! Yes, it is I, Rex Rocket, Cosmic Winner. Woof. Nice to see you, Rex. Roar. Oh, hi, Rex. Spud, what's happening? We were playing Gourd Ball. Gourd Ball. Just like God Robot, using a rock from Nebula 31. We accidentally bumped the controls. That let the starling boy get out of his cage. Well, looks like I need to stop this. The only way I can. With a stitch. And a cookie. Yep. He looks hungry. Who wants a treat? Rawr. Go get it, boy. I knew we should have picked them up on asteroid X67. Phew, glad that's over. Good job, sir. Sorry to scare you, Captain Rocket. I'm Trug, your navigator. Cookie. I'm also your biggest fan. I have a whole Cornelia stats on it. Take a look. Hero of the solar system, Rex Rocket, Cosmic Leader, Affili- Affiliation, the Cosmic Canines, Skills, Stupid, Stitchy, Good Dancer, Laser Expert, Overview. Once the Space Museum worker, Rex accidentally acquired his elastic chain in a top secret accident. After defeating a giant spaghetti monster, he was named the captain of the starship SS Sagan. Cool, yeah, cool. Welcome to the crew, and I like your teeth. Wow, I'll make sure to smile a lot. No need for that. That guy scares me. Thanks for saving us, Rex. Sure, I didn't lose monsters. How's the ship? We're in perfect shape for our mission. Beep beep. Emergency transmission from Space Command. I hope it's not General Dill. Or should I say, Old Picklehead. Rocket! Sorry, sir. I can't believe they gave you a ship to command. If I had my way, you wouldn't be allowed to go near. Are you listening? What? Pay attention. We need you to find this guy, Stirk Raven. Intergalactic no good neck. Ooh, he looks nasty. Stirk escaped on Rebellion 4 and stole a monster. This device can turn anything into a monster. Your mission: catch Stirk, get that monster back before something terrible happens. Yes, sir. Where can we find him? We believe Stirk is headed to Earth. Danger! Oh no! What's it? It's the home of my friend, the Cat Crusader. That's right. Get ready for fun, excitement, pancakes. Keep reading. Chapter 2. Time to eat a bean. That dream made me hungry. I guess it's too early. Zip! For Indian food. Maybe it's a waffle day. I know just the place. Sing! Reggie's Diner. Then I changed to the cat crusader costume. Elsa! No one will recognize me. But wait, Max is the only one headed to the diner. Hello? Welcome. Take a seat. As you can see, we're a little busy. This place is great. Thanks. Agent and I decided to retire from the food truck. Reggie blew it up. Wow, it was an accident. I told you not to make popcorn with a flamethrower. Why is the diner just called Reggie's? Very few folks seem declared to eat a place named after a rat. I'm a mouse, not a rat. I think the important thing is that you both left crime behind and made the diner a hit. What can we get you, Max? I'll have the Big Belly Buster breakfast. Coming right up. Here you go. Wow, you're fast. It looks yummy. Here's your curza. Maybe I can do one of my shows about your diary sometime. That would be great. Cool. You need me to sing? I sing very well. I have this one song about reading. You should not Maxine. Oh, okay. Enjoy your breakfast. Thanks. I need a title for a show about this later. How about the bad guys, the bagels? No. Ex-prisoners, excellent pancakes. The robot, the rat, the roast. Roar. Gross. Arg. What's that? Arg. Oh, that. Will that be my giant pancake? Who was the mysterious stranger? Can I substitute my hands for more bacon? No. Keep reading. Chapter 3. Really Tooty Fresh and Hard. Hi, I'm Maurice. Do you know what you'd like to order? Ah! I won't have what he's having. Ah! Psh. I may have bit it off my leg and chew. Max, hey, you pernicious pancake. I didn't cook you to cause trouble. Put him down. Sure. Why do I always end up in these situations? Think you could really use some help. Or maybe some self-help. Yowza! That's better. And I know just who to call. Max, Mindy. Come in, Mindy. Mindy, where are you? Mindy's lab. Strange. She didn't answer. She's always in her lab. Oh no, the pancake monster is even bigger now. Hey, Flapjack, why are you flipping out? Don't like that joke, huh? Uh-oh, Cat Crusader, I better get out of here. What about this one? Batter up. Oof. Wrong. Drat, I'll have to return my monster later. Uh-oh, Pancake Guy is mad. We better do something. I don't think the monster needs any help. No, Reggie, I meant we to do something to help Cat Crusader. But how can we meet a balanced request? Candy bar? No. French fries? No. Gummy bears? No, no, no. Remember what happened last week? Soup salad coming through. I guess the soup is on us. You're right. That was a good joke. Not that. It made me think of something else. Wrong. All this bacon is all this fighting bacon, you man. I wish Science Kitty was here. Will you sell for us? Can I see it, H&M? Sure, let's both see it. Soup's on. It's melting. That flapjack is too soggy to stand. Little old split pea soup. Thanks, you guys saved me. Service with a smile. Hey, look what I found. I wonder if this is what caused the breakfast to attack. Watch out! H&M has a ray gun. But why? Maybe he's a bad guy again. Was that a good gasp or a bad gasp? Bad, very bad. Things look bad for H&M. Keep reading. Chapter 4. Rat it out. Name H&M Maurice. Profession Chef. Where do you live, Kittyiopolis? Where will you on the night of October 13th? Oh, speak up! Confess! Admit it! You're a bad guy again. No! Stop it! H&M isn't guilty of anything. And why are you questioning him? Are you the FBI? FBI, Furry Bureau Investigation. Nope, I'm a shoe salesman. What do you say? About what? My boots! But these look better in blue. I can't believe he's the only one defending me. I can't believe he's the only one defending me. I'm on your side, H&M. Thanks, Reggie. Well, you didn't build me, and I am programmed to be your friend no matter what. Thanks, I guess. Everybody, listen up. Sure, H&M and Reggie used to be crooks. Maybe they did try to take my powers away. Kidnap my best friend, terrorize Kittyiopolis, and drown me in glue. Do you have a point? My point is that they have changed their ways, and they didn't around with trust. I certainly trust them. Hey, it's you. Yep, it is. H&M and Reggie helped me save the galaxy. That happened in next. A little later, that pancake should be a mess, but we fixed it up as much as we could. Thanks. Here's the thingamabob I found. That's not a thingamabob. That's what it came for. A monster ray. I need to find the creep who stole it. I have a feeling we met him. Maybe Science Kitty can help us track him down. Let's go. So here's Mindy's lab. Come on in. Yowza! That was so cool. Thanks. Hee hee. Wait, every time I go near that elevator, something bad happens. Let's take the stairs. This is so much better than thump, thump, tuk comment, keep heads inside car all times. Enjoy! This looks like a car for a roller coaster. Minnie's your friend, right? Sure, then why does she do this to you? Whoosh. I think she has a twisted sense of humor. I agree. Squeak! Oof! Arf! This is the lab? Yep. But it's so dark in here. You're right. Mindy, where are you? Who is that shadowy figure? What happened to Mindy? How many tickets to ride the roller coaster? Cat, Chapter 5. Cat vs. Zombie. The lab is a mess. That's not like. Mindy! I thought space is scary. Mindy? No, she's a zombie! No, Matt. She's asleep. She is sleep inventing. I better wake her up before she gets hurt. X! Or we get hurt. Mindy, wake up! Huh? What happened? You were doing experiments while you were sleepwalking. Oh, you've been working too hard, but I've got so much to do. Remember Rex Rocket, super cool space dog, has a giant hot spaceship, super stretchy? Of course, Gator. See you. Why are you so tired? My whole family is out of town. Mayor Michael, Bob, Marty Michael, brother. Miss Dr. Michael, Dad. I promised to take care of their experiments while they're gone. But I'm also busy working on my own and let's just case study, quantum time bomb, democracy simulation. Like what? Wait, I can record this for a podcast. Welcome to Cat on the Street with Max. Hi everybody, I'm back at Scientist Mindy, my Coops Labs here in latest inventions. Invention 1. Super Cooler. Invention 2. Bubblegum Suitcase. Invention 3. Monster Ray. Huh? I didn't invent that! It came from a bad guy I was chasing. I was hoping we could use it to track him down. If we trace the monster's ray energy, we can. Mindy? Huh? Whopple! You're exhausted, Mindy. You need sleep. I should have finished building this giant microscope hours ago. Maybe you just need a little break. How about we go get you some food? I'll leave this for Mindy to study later. We can head back to the diner while she rests. Sleep tight, Mindy. I'll be back soon. Yowza! Mindy sleeps. The lab is silent. Or is it? We better get back to work. I'm ready. Who was that talking? Why can't we see them? Spring, all done. Mindy will be so happy. Just what is going on? Keep reading. Enemy Agent M. He's a bad guy and the robot too. M is for Mindy. A yummy turkey club will hit the spot for Mindy. Beep beep. That's a call for my spaceship. Rex, what's up, Spud? Big trouble. We need your help, sir. You better go, Rex. Roger, Dodger. See you soon. No more monsters, no more monsters. Uh-oh. Seems like this crowd think Agent M created the monster. I better get in there. Hi, guys. I wanted to order a turkey club. Coming right up. Why is it so empty? So I took a picture with the ray gun. Now everyone is in yet me. He's a bad guy and the robot too. And Sir Beatty. We saw you. I'm sorry. You're sorry? Back when I was a bad guy, I tried to get a plastic dinosaur to eat you. Well, this is a bit out of line. Here's your order. Here's your order. Wow, that's a big sandwich. I got carried away. Sure, the customers will come back soon. I hope so. Otherwise, we'll have to close down. Hey, where did Agent M go? What's happening? I've been pulled through some strange portal. Welcome, Agent M. Where am I? Who are you? You could call me Monster A. We are the Legion of Nasty. Where has Legion ended up? Who are the members of the Legion of Nasty? How does Reggie make such big slices of bread? To be continued. Chapter 7. Little Minnie in Slumberland. Huh? The bed! It's growing! Feet! This is not science! Where am I headed? Don't worry, you'll find out soon. Max, what are you doing here? Just hanging around. Bye! My clothes are changing. The city's changing too. But how? We built it. Wow, good job. Well, we had help. You. Huh? Yeah, you made us. Whoops. Oh dear, unfortunately, this dream isn't built very well. What does that mean? It means you won't remember any of this. It's time to wake up! What? I'm back in what? I'm back in my lab. Max was right. I do need to rest. Huh? The giant microscope. It's completely built. Max could have built it. So who did? He has hit. It was us. Who are we? Keep reading to find out. Chapter 8. The Legion of Nasty. You're invited to Sunny and Ray's Take Over the World Party. What do you say, Agent? We'll join the Legion of Nasty. Join you? I don't even know who you are. Ah, but you know my partner in crime. Sunny Squirrel. Sunny? My old boss? No one has seen you since the punks of Planet X attack. I'm back, baby. Once I was Kiddiopolis's biggest villain, but my plans were ruined by the Cat Crusader. Now, with my new friends in the Legion, I will have my revenge. Wow, that is what angry squirrels call. Lucky for you, we want you to join us. Thanks, Sonny. I know all about you. Agent M, the child of a criminal family, inventor of evil robot, someone evil, Sonny's former assistant, sent to jail by the Cat Crusader. I'm reformed now. No crime for me. I became a superhero for a while. Sure, oh, you became a hero and stopped those alien pugs you talked about. But then, when it's over, who got all the credit? The Cat Crusader. Check out the news. They'll blame you for that monster that attacked Agent M back to bad. F and then. I bet the Cat Crusader will take the monster and you gave him and blame you too. Wait, how did you know about the monster rape? Lucky guess? Actually, it was my monster rape. Hey, I got blamed for that. But the good news, Fred, that is that you can now you can join the Legion of Nasty. Who's in this Legion of Nasty anyway? Just a check now. Why call yourself a Legion? That won't sound cool than do a meanness. Look with you on board. Sorry, Sonny. I don't think being evil is for me. Don't you want to have new friends you can count on? Don't you want unlimited wealth? Don't you want a lifetime supply of cheese? And all that could be yours if you help us ruin the Cat Crusader! Legion of Nasty, most hated. Will Legion act like a rat? Hey, is Max about to be ruled by a mouse? That's better. Keep reading. Chapter 9. Meanwhile, in space, again. It was so great to see Cat Crusader Science Kitty. Spud sounded bad. Hopefully, everything is alright. Okay, what's the problem? Well, there's good news and bad news. What's the good news? It turns out that Starling Borgon is friendly. But the bad news, he got out of his cage and he's too friendly. He's cuddling us to death. He swallowed me, but in the sweetest way. I already tried to distract him with a treat. Nothing works. What about laser? Tried it. Explosives? Nope. Karate? Nada. Nunchucks? Zip. How about this? I want my mommy. Hey, Borgie, we're ready for dessert, and you're it. Whipped cream and all. Lord, he split me out. How humiliating. Yip, 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 yip. Way to go, Captain. Yay, Rex. Ensign Trog, please mop up the side before someone. Slap! Wow, he even falls down cool. He's all twisted up. Is Rex okay? Will his crew be able to help? What does a Starling Morgan taste like? Some of these questions will be answered. Maybe keep reading. Chapter 10. Meet the Mango Bots. How can this be? When I fell asleep and then I woke up, the microscope had built itself. For once, Mindy is wrong. Right, it did build itself. We built it. Then I just hear someone shouting, Pixel, be quieter. Sorry, Pixel. Did we tell Mindy we're here? Oh, then we have to tell her where we came from. Oh, forgot. Where did we come from? You forgot. I guess it's time to tell the tale again. The origin of Twixel and Pixel, or Megabots. Bye, Mindy. Good. Last week, exhausted from all her work, Mindy Merkelman finally settled her asleep for a nap in her lab. Whew. Mindy was so worried about her project, she even dreamed about inventing. Mindy got up out of bed, but she was still asleep. Mindy was sleepwalking around the lab. Suddenly, she began to invent. Ooh, this is so exciting. Even in her sleep, Mindy knew she needed help. First, she decided to be Twixel. Am I next? That's right. Then she built you, Pixel. Inspired by a book in Mindy's library, we realized what he had to do. Well, I did. We'll make Mindy's wishes come true. She ain't never had a friend like us. And she has no idea we've been secretly helping her around the lab. Hey, Mindy, I'm back. Reggie's diner exit. I brought you food. Look out for the microscope. The what? Now, where did that come from? Max? Uh-oh. It's gonna take hours to rebuild that microscope. I'm sorry, Mindy. I just wish you knew what it was like to be in my shoes. Is that supposed to be funny? I didn't do it. Honest. Haha. If only you knew what it felt like to do a million things at once. But Mindy, I guess I'll go back to the diner. Did she say wish? Close enough. What do Twixel and Pixel have in store for Max? Keep reading to find out. We interrupt this program. Oof! Okay, Janam. You've got a day to decide whose team you're on. Eh, eh, eh. That there's a mine. Don't you mean ours? Oh, sure. See ya. This is a tough decision. Or is it? Reggie, what happened? I guess not everybody likes our food. This is so unfair. We just want to be part of Kittyopolis. I give up. What did you say? I said I give up. I heard what you said. Listen, mister, life's too short to give up. Sure, everybody thinks you smell, you're crook, you're a loser, you're evil, but it could be worse. How? You might not have me as a friend. Plus, I set up a way for everyone to see how nice you are. As long as it's not that Max Meow show. And action! Welcome to the latest cat on the street. And I'm Max Meow, and today we're interviewing, oh no, Reggie Reboot, an evil robot who was upgraded to kindness. Agent M, once a bad guy, this rat mouse, traded evil eggs were easy. And this was the scene earlier today. A monster pancake attacked the diner where I was eating. Luckily, the cat was here right on the scene, and the monster was defeated with our help. We have no idea when the monster came to be. It sure seems like the crowd believes you without any proof. Boo! Get out of Kittyopolis! Look, Pickle, it's Max. Time to teach him how it feels to be busy like Mindy. What will Twixel and Pixel do? What will happen in the next chapter? Will Agent M be mad? Find out in the next part.